Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transits. This is just a quick walk around video of one of our latest vehicles we have in stock. So in front of us here, we've got a Ford Transit Connect limited series. This is the L2 version, so the long wheelbase version, giving you just under 2 meters of load length in the back. This is a 1.5 litre, 120 PS, Euro 6.2, 6-speed manual gearbox. So quite a rare van, covered just 10,198 miles, excellent condition inside and out. So registered early August 2021, comes with full Ford manufacturer's warranty, 3 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, subject to regular maintenance. So a good chunk of warranty still left on here. Metallic chrome blue, and as it's a limited series, a few telltale signs already. You've got your body colour door mirrors, body colour side mouldings, body colour door handles. You get rear parking sensors, the dual spoke alloy wheels, heated windscreen, heated door mirrors, automatic headlights, automatic rain sensing wipers, cornering lights, daytime running, Right, let's have a look inside. So inside the back, you got just under 2 meters along the easy clean floor, various tie downs, ply lined inside, LED load lighting, and a full metal bulkhead with a load through compartment in the bottom left hand side of the screen. So if you drop one of the passenger seats, lift the compartment, you then get a huge amount of load length through the bulkhead. So 180-degree rear barn doors, and now into the cab, again like the rest of the van, in excellent condition. You've got the dual belted passenger seats with various configurations. So you have a fold down table, central extra storage, and that's where you also connect your phone through USB, and then further storage. You get 8-way adjustment on the driver's seat, including lumbar support, telescopic height adjustable steering wheel, electric windows with power folding mirrors, automatic headlights with daytime running, voice activation for when your phone's connected through Bluetooth, so audible messaging, you can play your Spotify, etc. Automatic rain sensing wipers, and then down here is your cruise control, your speed limiter, and just beyond that the Ford power start button, so keyless start. So up on the dash we've got digital speedo and just confirming the mileage, and then you have the leather trimmed handbrake, leather trimmed gear stick, so 6-speed manual, so 3 pedals. And then up here is the Ford entertainment system, so you've got a 4.2-inch LCD display, FM, AM, DAB radio, and this also displays the rear park pilot when you put it in reverse. Then down here we have the manual air conditioning, you've got the heated windscreen, the 2 heated seats, heated door mirrors, and your quick clear and your quick cool. So in conclusion, and for sale today, here we have a Ford Transit Connect limited series. This is an L2, so it's the long wheelbase, covered just 10,198 miles. Excellent condition inside and out, good chunk of Ford warranty still left on here. 6-speed manual gearbox, this is the 1.5 litre, 120 PS, Euro 6.2. So just under 2 meters load length in the back, limited series, so very well spec'd inside and out. If you have any questions or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you.